how much should you actually spend on dark roast K-Cups? Because you can find some cheap options that don't deliver while others seem overpriced. But here's the interesting part. The right choice isn't always about the price, but about quality and flavor. Product number 1, Tim Hortons Dark Roast 100 CT. First up, we have the Tim Hortons Dark Roast K-Cup Pods. At $47.98 for 100 pods, this isn't the cheapest option, but it's definitely popular with a 4.7-star rating from over 1,300 reviews. If you want a reliable, rich coffee experience, this is worth a serious look. You'll get a full-bodied flavor that can kickstart your day without the bitterness that some dark roasts have. Plus, they're compatible with all Keurig machines, so you won't have any trouble brewing your cup. Now, some people complained about the price compared to other brands. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for quality, that extra cost can feel justified when you taste the difference. If you're a dark roast lover who values flavor over spending, this is definitely a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a smooth, rich cup of coffee in the morning. Skip this one if you're on an ultra-tight budget, but honestly, for the quality, it feels worth the investment. Product number 2, Tim Hortons Dark Roast 32 CT. Now, if the price of Tim Hortons larger pack bothered you, this next one is a more budget-friendly option. The Tim Hortons Dark Roast 32 CT for just $17.25. It also boasts a 4.7-star rating but has over 2,200 reviews showing it's quite popular. Again, it's made from 100% Arabica beans, so you know you're getting top-notch quality. The compatibility with Keurig brewers makes it super easy to enjoy your coffee without any hassle. However, a few users have mentioned that the flavor might not be as bold as some other dark roasts. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a smoother taste that won't leave you jittery, this could still be a great choice for your mornings. This is perfect for you if you want a smooth dark roast without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're really after something super intense, but for the price, you're getting a great value. Product number 3, Bold Dark Roast Variety Pack. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is interesting, the Bold Dark Roast Coffee Pods Variety Pack, which includes 40 pods with 9 assorted dark roast flavors for $26.50. It has a 4.5-star rating from about 1,100 reviews, making it a great pick for coffee adventurers. Each pod is crafted with 100% Arabica beans, ensuring you get that rich, dark profile that many coffee lovers crave. Plus, the compatibility with Keurig machines means you can easily switch it up each morning. Some reviewers noted that they didn't like every flavor in the pack, which is a fair concern. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy trying new things, the chance to discover a new favorite could outweigh those few misses. This is perfect for you if you love variety and want to explore different dark roast flavors. Skip this one if you strictly like one specific flavor profile, but for the adventurous coffee drinker, it's a fun choice. Product number 4, Perfect Samplers Dark Roast Variety. Now, if the variety pack didn't hit the spot for you, the Perfect Samplers Dark Roast Coffee Pod Variety Pack might be worth checking out. It's priced at $22.99 for 40 pods and has a solid 4.3-star rating with over 5,800 reviews, which suggests it's a popular choice. This curated selection is perfect for those who enjoy bold flavors. Each pod is compatible with Keurig machines, so brewing won't be an issue. The inspection process ensures you're only getting fresh coffee, which is super important. Now, some people have mentioned that a few of the brands included are not as strong as they'd like. Here's the thing, if you're someone who enjoys a range of strengths and flavors, this variety could still be a hit. This is perfect for you if you love exploring different brands and blends. Skip this one if you're only after the strongest dark roast, but you might find a new favorite here. Product number 5, Major Dickasson's Blend 88 CT. Finally, we have the Major Dickasson's Blend K-Cup Pods by Peet's Coffee, which comes in at $36.93 for 88 pods. With a 4.8-star rating from over 2,200 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among coffee enthusiasts. This blend is known for its robust, full-bodied flavor, crafted by Mr. Peet himself. Each pod is compatible with all Keurig brewers, making it easy to brew your favorite cup. Not to mention, the pods are recyclable, so you can enjoy your coffee with a little less guilt about the environment. That said, some users have mentioned that the flavor can be a bit too intense for their taste. Here's the thing, if you're a true dark roast lover, that bold taste is likely what you're after. This is perfect for you if you want a strong, rich coffee experience from a reputable brand. Skip this if you prefer lighter coffees, but for the price and quality, it's a fantastic choice. So to wrap it all up, we've got Tim Hortons' larger pack for those who want quality, the smaller pack for budget-conscious coffee lovers, a bold variety pack for the adventurous, a curated sampler for exploring brands, and Pete's Major Decaf blend for the ultimate dark roast experience. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but if you know what you're after, you can't go wrong with any of these great choices.